Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you Top Gyro X high speed rotation toys. This is a new version Beyblade toys. It comes with two parts, it's a stadium and 12 Beyblades. I'm going to show you how to make the stadium and the Beyblade. Let's first make a stadium. Stadium comes two pieces, this one and this one. Also it comes with this one. So make it like that. Put this one like that here. Here. Yes, our stadium is ready. Now I'm going to show you how to make the Beyblade. Beyblade comes three piece like that. One, this one, and this one. That one, put it here and turn. You must hear that sound. Okay, after that put it this one. Your Beyblade is ready. Another one, look at this one and this one. Put it like that and turn. You hear the sound. After that, put it this one. It has 12 Beyblade and 3 launchers. These are the launcher. It has 3 launcher. I'm going to show you how to do this one. Put like that, turn, and your Beyblade is ready. Beyblade set is great for kids playing with friends, birthday gift, family game time. It helps the kids improve their eye coordination and enjoy active playing. Now we are going to play with my son a one battle.
Let's have a battle with my dad. 3, 2, 1, go!